Hi all, welcome to Cliffview Ayurveda Retreat. I'm Dr. Adira. Today we are going to discuss about immunity. What is immunity? Immunity is a capability of multicellular organism to fight against microorganisms. We all know human beings are born with a basic immune system that's weak. Through constant interaction with the microbes in our environment or within our gut, we learn to fight against microorganisms, which helps to strengthen the immune system. Immunity is a concept explained in Ayurveda under multiple topics. The most important one are Bala, or the concept of strength, Vyadhi Kshamatva, or the concept of resistance to illness development, and Ojas, or the concept of supreme resilience. The concept of Bala is the ability of immune system to nourish and repair itself and be effective in disease prevention. Whereas the Vyadhi Kshamatva is the ability of immune system to fight against disease-causing pathogens. While former is the product of overall balance of body function, digestion, tissue and elimination. The latter is purely denoting the function of our immune system and recovery after coming in contact with the pathogenic organism. Here are some factors that negatively affect immunity. For instance, an imbalanced diet, irregular sleep, excessive alcohol intake, high stress, obesity, long-term medications, and dehydration. Now, let's talk about the factors that help augment immunity in Ayurveda. We all know a well-balanced diet plays a key role in boosting our immunity. In Ayurveda, a well-balanced diet is based on one's dosha. Another factor is regular practice of yoga. It's better if we include variety of spices in our daily dietary, as most of the spices helps in oxygen radical absorbance, reduce cell damage and maintain integrity. Then regular detox plan like fasting and proper panchakarma once a year. The consumption of rasayana drug like amla and ashwagandha. Lastly, Ayurvedic treatment like Pirichin and Nyavarakili. The above said all factors thus help in boosting your immunity. Thank you.